I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this battery tester, charger, repairer, and maintainer from the company ANCEL, I think is what that is. And this is the BT521 version right here, 12 volt, 5 amps, 3 amps, and 1 amp. And what this does, this is great for any type of car battery. If you're like me and you have a car that you leave out, don't drive that much, you want to keep the batteries maintained. And this is something I recommend for anyone that needs a battery maintainer. And let me show you exactly what you get. So you get this cool case right here. You see this little hard shell case, get a little zipper on it. This is it. Everything you need is contained right here. You get a little set of instructions. And when you plug it up, it's going to go through different types of cycles there. Let me go ahead, take it over to the car battery, plug it up, and then I'll show you this thing in action because it's pretty hard to tell you just sitting here looking at it how it works. But let's take it over here and hook it up to the car and see what it does. Okay, so as soon as you plug it in here, it's got several different modes right here. It's got a quick charging, standard charging, maintenance mode. You can go through each one, battery test. Let's do the battery test of this battery right here. So this car has not been started in a while, so what I'll do, I'll first test it with the multimeter here. It looks like this battery seems to be dead right now. This has not been started. I got to get the keys and try it. No, it looks like we got 11.6. Okay, so we checked the voltage on here. Let's go ahead and let's run a battery test on here. So we got standard charging, maintenance mode, battery test. Double tap the OK, hit it again. This is a 500 watt, it is. It's testing, it's testing the battery. Let's see what it does. Oh, there it is, test and reset. The health of my battery is only 2%. It's got 790 cranking amps. There's 590 on it. Oh, I see right here, quick dexterity. So it is, it's 535 right there. 11.4 volt, 37 ohms, resistor, 500 rated. There's that, let's go back. Let's do cranking test. Double tap that. Oh, it wants me to start engine. Let me grab the key and start the engine. Okay, I got the key here. I haven't started this in a while. Let's start the engine. That's what it's saying to do, so let's see what it does. Well, it didn't start. It's testing. It says my cranking volts is low. Yes, it is low. Now we see we have a dead battery, so what I'm going to do, go back. We won't do the alternator test. This thing's just been setting for a while. Let's do quick charge. Quick charging, we are 11.5 volts is doing a quick charge. Let's do a little quick charge on this thing. It is charging, and let's see what it does, and then we'll come back. You guys seen my battery is dead. It's been sitting for maybe 2 months without starting, so we'll do this, and then we'll run a maintenance on it and let that run for a while, and then we'll do the unattended mode, and we'll run it on that. So let's let it charge, come back, and let's see if we can start this thing. Okay, so now it's been about 5 minutes, and we're at 25%, 12.6, and it's pushing out 5 amps of charge on this. Let's see if we got enough to have a start on this thing. If not, I might just use a jumper box at this point. Oh wow, it did, it started. This thing worked great. That was the that was the quick charge that I put on there. It's still charging, obviously. I wonder if we can do the alternator test now. Let's test the alternator. Please keep it for 10 seconds. It's going through 8, 7, 6. So what it's doing, it's testing the alternator to make sure that we've got a good charge on that. Turn on headlights, air conditioner to the max. Keep RPM idle for 10 seconds, hit OK. Headlights. It fell off, but it already gave me my loaded voltage is 14.8. 18 unloaded is 14.47. The ripple is 10, I guess that's millivolts. Very cool that it actually does the actual testing of the alternator also. This is something I recommend for anyone that needs to have a battery charger or maintainer, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, put it on repair, let it go through a repair cycle, and then run it on a standard charging, let it charge all night. Then we'll come back and we'll see how this thing does. But yeah, right now I think it works great and I don't see any problems in it. So that's it, everybody. That's all I got on, the ANCEL, battery maintainer, fault finder, charger. See you all in the next video.